Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change the resolution on TED. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to change the resolution on TED app. Maybe because you want to save your internet, so you want to reduce the resolution so that internet could be saved, or maybe you're someone who prefers to watch videos on higher resolution and you want to go for it. Or it could be any other reason for you to change the resolution of the TED app. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed that TED app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the TED app to open the app. Once the app gets open, it will take a while to load and gather all your information from your account. And once it done doing all that, you will see its interface. This is how the TED app looks. We have a lot of content on our screen. At the bottom we have 5 to 6 options, and at the top right side we have only one option, which is our home screen, or you could say profile icon. So here you have to click onto this profile icon, which is on the top right side of the screen. You just have to simply tap on it, and first you will see your profile icon and your name. After that you will see few other options. So from all these options you have to click on the settings option, which is on the right side of my profile. This one, you just have to simply tap onto that option so that we could get into settings. Once we get into the settings, you will find many options on your screen. So from all these options, you could see we have this third option which says resolution. This resolution is related to videos, so we have to tap on it to change the existing, or maybe to change to a different resolution. So here we have only two resolution, HD and SD. HD is for high resolution and SD is for standard resolution. High resolution is obviously a high resolution and standard is a low. So if you have a plenty of internet and you want to enjoy the best experience, then you have to go with the HD. But if you have a limited data and you want to compromise the quality, then you can go with the SD. Otherwise, it's all up to you. You can choose any one of these options. Whatever you prefer, you can go with it. You just have to simply tap onto that option and video resolution will be selected onto that. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the resolution of that app. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.